नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। I welcome you all with my love and respects. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, samajis, satsangis, Shrimahans, Mahants, Tanedar, Kotaris, visitors, viewers sitting with us all over the world through Nityananda TV, YouTube Live, Facebook Live, Enlighten app, Kailasa TV, Hinduism Now, Twitter and two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha. Today, second day of Skanda, Subramanya is gracing us with Valli Devasena in Sarva Alankara and the Swarnamayura Vahana. Today is also Guru Peyarchi. The Guru is moving from Vrishchika Rashi to Dhanur Rashi. We have also offered Guru Peyarchi Puja and Satru Samhara Trishadi Homa. Let's first receive the grace and blessings of Valli Devasena Sameda Subramanya Swami in Sarva Alankara by offering our devotion and arati, then proceed into the satsang.
Atha Dupaha Om Dhurasi Dhurvantam Dhurvatayyo Osman Dhurvaditum Dhurvayam Vayam Dhurvamasvam Devanamasi Sasnitamam Papratamam Drishtatamam Vanhitamam Devahutahamrta Savitanam Trihambasvamatvaha Mitrashtatva Takshusha Prekshema Sambhirmatva Santisham Shri Valli Devasena Sameta Shri Ananda Subramanya Swamine Namaha Dhupam Aghrapayami Atha Deepaha Om Uttiipya Sadhata Vedopagninirtim Mama Machogyasya Mahyavajivanam Satishodisha Manohigam Sijata Vedo Kamashvam Purusham Jagat Api Pradakna Akarishyama Paripadaya Shri Valli Devasena Sameta Shri Ananda Subramanya Swamine Namaha Deepam Darshayami Atha Naivedyam Om Astraya Namaha Om Madhuvatarayate Madhuksharanta Sintavaha Madhvina Santoshasihi Madhunaktamudosasi Madhunatpakyavagumrujaha Madhutyorahnaspita Madhumano Vanaspatir Madhuvagumastu Suryaha Madhigabho Bhavantunaha Madhu 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 Shri Valli Devasena Sameta Shri Ananda Subramanya Swamine Namaha Nivedyam Nivedayami Karpura Nirajanam Om Tatpurushaya Vidmahe Mahasenaya Dhimahi Tanno Shanmuga Prachodayat Om Tatpurushaya Vidmahe Mahasenaya Dhimahi Tanno Shanmuga Prachodayat Om Tatpurushaya Vidmahe Mahasenaya Dhimahi Tanno Shanmuga Prachodayat Karpura Gauram Karunavataram Samsarasaram Bhujahendraharam Sada Vasantam Hridayara Vinde Bhavam Bhavani सहितं नमामि भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि श्रीवल्ली देवसेना समेत श्री आनंद सुब्रह्मण्य स्वामिने नमः कर्पूरनीराजनं संदर्शयामि
Let's enter into satsang. Please listen. This next few days, Paramashiva is simply going to introduce himself to all of you. As he exists in Kailasa, he is introducing himself. Such auspicious day. Skandasashti Mahotsava is happening and Guru Peyarchi. Listen carefully. Only if you are blessed, you can directly hear this great sacred secrets, truths revealed by Paramashiva, how he exists now. It is initiation to all of us, for all of us to experience. What is happening now is not words, it is initiation. Listen. First, understand step by step. Kala is the dimension of the universe where universes and multiverses, big bangs, black holes, planets, suns, moons, stars manifest, exist. Zillions of big bangs manifest, exist for zillions of years, dissolve, gets pulled out of delusion and liberated, all without gap in the Kala, but with the gap of zillions of years. Meditate on this. If you meditate, your higher consciousness will awaken. You will realize how. In few hours dream, you experience few years. Same way only. Now you are experiencing whole. You will get the glimpse. You will catch it. You will understand it. How? Time is relative reality. It's not existential reality. This relative reality is destroying your life. The real relative reality is taking away your peace. Anyone who understands time is existential. Kala is existential. Time is relative. If you understand the existential reality, Kala, you will achieve Paramashanta, the eternal peaceful space. It is simply possible. I am not giving you false hope. I am not giving you some long, useless lectures. No. I love you. I will be integrated to you. I will not cheat you. Understand? I am revealing the Kailasa as it is. You may have to be little integrated to realize what I am talking, but what I am talking is truth. Understand this Example, how few hours you sleep, but in the dream you spend few years. How many of you realize this? How many of you understand what I am saying? In few hours dream, you experience few years. You slept only few hours, but you realize in your dream as if you lived few years. If you understand this, raise your hand. That's all. That same way you will realize what you are experiencing as time now is comparative reality, not existential reality. You will understand if you meditate on what I am talking. Zillions of universe manifests, exists for zillions of years, dissolve, gets pulled out of delusion, gets liberated without time gap. Please meditate on it. Please meditate on it. Please meditate on it. I request you sincerely to meditate on it, and I commit with you, I'll give you the click. Because I know the way Paramashiva is manifesting, he is really too sincere about your initiation. You getting initiated and realizing this truth. I want all the Adinavasis to have Jivartha Sadas and Vakyartha Sadas. On this subject I am revealing now. Zillions of universes manifest, exist for zillions of years, and dissolve, gets pulled out of delusion, liberated, without time gap. Now. Meditate on this. Your muscles will become powerful. Your whole being will become powerful. Last few days, the intense energy flowing through this system, all the gold is becoming Paramashiva's DNA. In gold and mercury and copper, Paramashiva's DNA can be stored. Paramashiva's DNA has 9 dimensions. For us, how we have 12 layers, Paramashiva's DNA has 9 dimensions. Each dimension has 12 layers. In that 9 dimension, one dimension can be stored in mercury, one can be stored in gold, one can be stored in copper. That is why I am wearing all the gold. Let this all become intensely Paramashiva's DNA. And Rudraksha is the bead in which all 9 dimensions can be stored. That is why I am wearing so much Rudraksha. Listen carefully. Actually, all of them are also attending the satsang. It is too important satsang. If you want Paramashiva's direct grace, enrich as many people as you can this next 6 days satsang. Next 6 days, I am going to reveal all the dimensions of Paramashiva, how he exists. Whoever listens will be blessed, initiated. If you want Paramashiva's grace, directly want to enrich the world with Paramashiva, share and make as many people listen to these satsangs as possible next 6 days. Next 6 days, I am going to talk about all the dimensions of Paramashiva. Listen. Now, these 5 actions. Understand first this about these 5 actions. Srishti, manifestation. Sthiti, sustenance. Samhara, rejuvenation. Trobhava, getting out of delusion, pulling out of delusion. Anugraha, liberation. See, I am using the Sanskrit word to keep the Shastras alive. I want all my brahmacharis, sannyasis to learn Sanskrit. That is why I am using the Sanskrit words. I am trying my best not to miss any Sanskrit word untranslated. In Kailasa, Paramashiva Jnana, the knowledge of Paramashiva exists as pure frequency, Nada and Bindu, means sound and visualization. I map that down into Sanskrit, then it becomes concepts and principles. I map that down to English, then it becomes long sentences. That is why my satsangs are long sentences. So let me repeat now. Manifestation, sustenance, rejuvenation, pulling out of delusion, enlightenment, liberation. These 5. Paramashiva does these 5 as Sadashiva with 5 faces. Satyojata, Vamadeva, Tatpurusha, Ahora, Ishana. Listen. Satyojata, Tatpurusha, Vamadeva, Ahora, Ishana. Let me repeat. Tatpurusha, Vamadeva, Agora, Ishana, and Satyojata. Listen intensely. Listen sincerely. Satyojata face of Paramashiva does creation, manifestation. It is the face facing western direction. It does manifestation, Satyojata. Then Vamadeva does sustenance. Agora does rejuvenation. Tatpurusha does pulling out of delusion. Ishana does liberation. The Ishana face is looking upper direction. Listen, I'll repeat. Satyojata does manifestation. It is facing western direction. Vamadeva does sustenance, faces north direction. Agora does rejuvenation, faces south direction. Tatpurusha does pulling out of delusion, faces east direction. Ishana faces upper direction, and that does the job of liberation. Now listen. The Sadashiva, he exists doing these 5 Panchakritya. each phase, Phase, of Sadashiva. For example, the Ishana, Phasc, of Sadashiva, as Ishana Murti, he does separately 5. Tatpurusha Murti, he does separately 5 action. Agora Murti, he does separately 5 actions. Vamadeva Murti does separately 5 actions. Satyojata Murti does separately 5 actions. I'll tell you one by one. Sadashiva has 5 Phases, paces, not faces alone, paces. Each pace has 5 phases. I'll reveal step by step. Internalize. It is very important for anybody who want to be my follower, because only if you know what is Paramashiva, you will understand the meaning of Paramashivoham. This whole thing is not just happening in Kailasa, it is happening inside you. It is happening inside your brain now. It is happening inside you now. Paramashiva is sitting inside you now. When first time Arunagiri Yogeshwara told me this, I literally jumped and touched my own feet and put it on my own head. I became so excited. I did not know what to do. Because when Arunagiri Yogeshwara was telling me this truth, it was so alive and real. Listen, please listen. Sadashiva has 5 phases, Phases, paces. That 5 paces does creation, sustenance, rejuvenation, pulling out of delusion, and liberation. Now, each pace, for example, creation, manifestation pace, that is Satyojata. That creation pace has 5 phases. How you know? Manifesting manifestation, manifesting sustenance, manifesting rejuvenation, destruction, manifesting pulling out of delusion, manifesting liberation. How can liberation come into existence unless it is manifested? How can sustenance happen unless it is manifested? So, the manifestation Phases, pace of Paramashiva, has 5 phases, Phasce. Manifestation pace of Sadashiva has 5 phases. So manifestation itself is 5 level. So that is 5 phase. Then sustenance is 5 level. That is 5 phase. Then rejuvenation is 5 level. That is 5 phase. Pulling out of delusion is 5 level. That is 5 phase. Liberation is 5 level. That is 5 phase. All these 5 into 5, 25 phases put together is Mahasadashiva. Understand? All this is not mechanical action. All this is a strong alive, living, independently intelligent energies. Understand? From the young age, I was taught Arunachala Hill was not geography, it is biology. It's a living energy. I tell you, even now when I go to Tiruvannamalai, I don't wear slippers or shoes unless the body goes to too much samadhi and not the skin is not able to handle. Only then I wear. Otherwise, never. Because Arunachala is not geography for me, it is biology. Understand? By and by, seeing, remembering. Now Arunachala is a living energy for me. It's living mechanism for me. This 5 is living for me. Ganga, banyan tree in Bididi, Arunachala, the Indra Vimana of Madurai Meenakshi temple, the Garbha Mandir, Sundareshwara's Indra Vimana. It can go to Kailasa any time and come back to Madurai any time. Paramashiva uses the Indra Vimana, the Garbha Graha of Meenakshi temple even now to go to Kailasa and come back to Madurai. This 5, Ganga, Arunachala, the banyan tree in Bidadi, our Kalpavriksha banyan tree, and the Indra Vimana of Meenakshi Sundareshwara's temple. 5th one, I will not tell now. I'll reveal later. These 5 are living for me. Understand? From the young age, I know how geography is biology. So I know nothing happens mechanical existence way. Nothing happens mechanical existent way. Especially the level of like a creation, sustenance and all happens only if there is independent intelligence. I want you to know each of these phases, P-H-A-S-E-S, and phases, F-A-C-E-S, are independently intelligent, alive, and supreme. Parama. They are not bound by anyone or under anyone. They are all independent intelligence, Parama, coexisting with a beautiful experience of oneness. The Ishana phase create liberation. Ishana phase is liberation. Is not under creation. Satyojata phase. Satyojata phase is not superior to Agora, the rejuvenation phase. Not one is superior or inferior to another. All of them are neither equal nor superior or inferior. They are all in oneness. Understand? Independently intelligent but existing in oneness. Meditate on this. Meditate on this. Don't think, oh, these statements doesn't make sense for me. Meditate on this. Listen. Satyojatam prapatyami satyojataya vai namo namaha. Listen. Listen like a Veda mantras. Meditate. When you meditate, the superficial, stupid materialistic logic grooves got created in your brain will be cleaned, and real parama logic, the multi-dimensional logic, grooves will start getting created. Understand, life is all about developing your brain which can grasp life, which can grasp the higher dimensions of life. Integrity is not supposed to be practiced. If you grasp the higher dimension of life, integrity will become such a sweet expression of your life. Man who is overflowing with energy manifests integrity. Like a rich guy wears nice dress, drives big car. Same way, man with high energy manifests integrity. Integrity is the abharana, the jewelry, glorifying decoration of high energy person. Grasp the higher existence through your brain, you will catch integrity. You will catch integrity. You will just manifest integrity. Integrity is the way legends live, the way legends sing poetry about their life. Understand? Legends, their life is a leela, a dance drama wrote in the space of the cosmos. The Krishna's life is a dance drama he wrote on the space of cosmos. That is why we call it Krishna Leela. The Sundareshwara's incarnation, when he comes down again and again, when he manifests again and again, whatever he does is dance drama. He writes on the space of the cosmos. Integrity is a dance drama performed by high energy beings. Catch the higher truths. Listen. Listen. When you understand the creation, sustenance, rejuvenation, pulling out of delusion, liberation, secrets of these 5 actions, you can see very clearly how a cell gets manifested and sustained and gets rejuvenated, gets into delusion and pulled out of delusion and liberation. How the whole thing happening in your body you can see. How the whole thing is happening in your life you can see. Understand? Even little understanding of the cosmos brings wow, so much, such vast life is happening, such vast life is happening. And even if you feel that once a day, that is called recharging your consciousness. Even once a day during puja, if you feel that, wow, what a Paramashiva. What a guy is manifesting as my life in me. Just if you feel even once a day, 2-3 minutes, that's enough. You are done. Your life will be in such order. Such order. Everyday puja is like a recharging your consciousness. How you recharge your cell phone, your iPad, your computer? your electronical goods, same way, recharging your consciousness is everyday puja, Nitya Puja. Every day when you do Nitya Puja, when you chant the Sadashiva Dhyana Mantra, from today when you chant the Sadashiva Dhyana Mantra, it should be absolutely different. Oh God, creation, sustenance, rejuvenation, pulling out of delusion, liberation, all this with all the 5 dimension, all 25 is happening in me now. Oh Prabhu, I bow down to you, who is doing all these 25 simultaneously, spontaneously, without any time gap in me. Aham, what I feel as me, in that, inside that me, you are sitting and doing all these 25. That is why I am alive. That is why the 25 is happening even now inside my body. All these 25 has to happen in you. Only then you will feel alive inside you. Even if the death stops happening, destruction stops happening for 1 second in you, you will be dead. Death has to continuously happen for you to be alive. All the unnecessary cells need to die. Inhaling, how much it is necessary. Exhaling is necessary, same level. Life, how much it is necessary for you to be alive. Death is as much necessary for you to be alive. I tell you, every moment, all these 5 into 5, 25 is happening in you. That is why you are still alive, existing. When you remember this and chant the Dhyana Sloka, you will feel, oh God, oh Paramashiva, what a life you have given me. You are doing this 25 in Kailasa and you are doing the same 25 in my Anandagandha. Why don't you do that both 25 beautifully in my life also? Let us be in sync. That's all we need. You will see, simply will manifest and synchronize, bring such order in your life. What I am talking is not something impractical which you need after 200 years or when you are about to die. No. Understand what I am talking. What Paramashiva is doing in Kailasa is doing in your Anandagandha. If you understand this and request him, please manifest this order in me, your headache will become all right. If somebody is suffering with cancer, do this meditation. Your cancer will just disappear. Understand, when I utter these words, I am talking very responsibly. Of course, I am not saying stop your medical care, but I am saying this meditation can bring such tremendous healing, health in you. Cancer is nothing but not life not happening, death not happening properly. Understand? Cancer is not life happening properly in your body, not death happening properly in your body. The destruction is not happening properly in your body. That is why cancer is growing. And I tell you, I don't need to be alive to lie to you guys. I am alive only to reveal Kailasa to all of you. What Paramashiva is doing in Kailasa, the 25, all 25 is doing inside your body. You just need to remember this truth. Hey, you are doing there and you are doing here. Please, 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 please. Let us bring both into one tune, one frequency. That's all my prayer. Like a small kid beg. that begging small kid identity also will be absorbed into Paramashiva, and you will see there and here Brahmanda and Pindanda is playing the same game. Your life will become Leela. Your life also will become Shiva Leela. Understanding in Pindanda and Brahmanda, the same guy is doing all the 25 is liberation. Understanding the same guy is sitting in Kailasa, Brahmanda, doing 25 actions. Same guy is sitting inside you, Pindanda, and doing 25 actions. With this remembrance, declare Paramashivoham. Paramashivoham. I gave the Mahavagya Om Nityananda Paramashivoham because Guru is the door to Paramashiva. Guru is the ultimate door for you to experience Paramashiva and Kailasa. That is why the Mahavagya is Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. With this understanding, manifestation, preservation means sustenance, rejuvenation, destruction, putting in delusion, pulling out of delusion, and liberation, enlightenment. All these 5 into 5. Last 2 days I am talking about this only. This 25, Paramashiva is doing sitting in Kailasa and sitting inside you. Kailasa, Brahmanda, and Pindanda, you in both is only sitting and doing. When you remember this and declare Paramashivoham, listen carefully. Bring this cognition and declare this to yourself and ask Paramashiva, let me remember this. If you remember and declare, charge yourself, that is liberation. That is liberation. Do not allow self-doubt, self-hatred, self-denial to enter into the scene and disturb yourself. Understand? If you allow old cells and old ideas to die, new cells and new ideas will be built. Do not repent for creation, sustenance, destruction, obscuration, delusion and liberation. Do not repent for any of this. All the 25 Paramashiva is doing in Kailasa and doing inside you, and he is ultimate Mangala, Parama Mangala, ultimate auspiciousness. Take 2-3 minutes now, sit. I'll chant the Dhyana Sloka, the original words of Paramashiva. How? He is doing all these 25 in Kailasa. Internalize the principles I said now, truths I said. Ask him, Prabhu, how you do all the 25 in Kailasa, Brahmanda, please do the same way inside me, Pindanda. Wherever I feel my life is not satisfactory, please destroy them. Destroy that. Wherever I feel I am deluded, pull me out of it. Wherever I want good, manifest. Wherever I want things to be maintained, sustained, please do that. Wherever I want destruction need to be done, please make that happen. Wherever I want the delusion to be pulled out, I should be pulled out of delusion, or the delusion, pulling out of delusion need to happen. Please do that. Wherever I want liberation, please do that. You are doing all the 25 in Kailasa, and you are doing all the same 25 inside me. Unless it does sitting inside you, you cannot be alive. You still breathing is enough proof. Paramashiva is sitting inside you and doing all these 25. You just need to tell him, let's bring it to order. Please help me. When you ask him, he will make you understand. Wherever needed to be order need to be brought, he will bring. Wherever you need to realize it is already in order, he will give you that realization. He will do both. The whole thing coming to order. You waking up to the truth. Your life becomes Shiva Leela. You become one with Paramashiva. Understand. Understand. This is the real prasada of Kala Bhairava. Understand, these great truths are powerful. Come on. Mahasadashivadhyanam Shankara Shamhita Shrunuta Brahmanas Sarve Guhyat Guhyataram Param Asti Meror Udakbhage Mahakailasha Parvataha Sambasya Sagunasyayam Sabaktasyendumaulinaha Samvase Yojananam Savimsat Koti Pratayah Dauhadyamedat Dvigunam Asayanyeyam Dvijottamaha Navaratnamayam Tasya Madhye Sigaramuttamam Tatralayam Maheshasya Nanaratna Vichitritam Prakarakora Prakara Gopuratala Valabhibirvirajitam Tata Simhasane Tatra Mahan Sambussada Shivaha Prabulla Kamalollasa Panjavimshan Mugajvalaha Drita Nanayuyodvasi Panchashat Karamanditaha Prabulla Raktambujatta Srinabhyam Sriyugabbajvalaha Vichitra Ratnakashitaga Bhushanair Abhibhushitaha. Aneha Koti Suryabha Paramananda Vigraha Aparakrita Shriman Lakshya Lakshana Varjitaha Yato Vacho Nivartante Aprapya Manasasaha Gangashraya Jatajutaha Chandrarekha Vibhushitaha Bhasmodulita Sarvanga Vyala Yagnopavitan Kapala Maladari cha Vyakra Charmambaravritah Prativaktram Trinayanaha Bhakta Sarvartha Siddhitaha Prasarya Dakshinam Padam Kunjayit Vedaram Padam Abhayam Chakra Shulecha Tanka Panau Gadambaje Katka Tomara Shakti Scha Parashu Prasa Panjabana Halangusa Akshamalascha Shurikam Dvaja Dandakau Vajrakundasi. वज्रगुण्डासी दंष्ट्राश्च क्रगञ्च पिण्डिपालगं पञ्चविंशतिभिर्हस्तैः ततानो दक्षिणैश्चुवैः वरसावौ मृगं शङ्खं केडपास परश्वतान् मुत्करं डमरुं कण्डां रुद्रवीणाञ्च पुस्तकं कपाल मुण्ड कट्वाङ्ग पुशुण्डी परितानबी पालम्बट्टसम्भेत्रं कमण्डलू हुदासनौ कर्दरीं मुसलं पिच्छं पिप्रत्वामैस्तताकरैः महान् सदाशिवस्योऽयं राजते तत्र पर्वते
आनन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द 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 परमशिवोऽहम् नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ 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 नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम्
ॐ सत्यो जातं प्रपद्यामि सत्यो जाताय वै नमो नमः भवे भवेनाति भवे भवस्वमां भवोद्भवाय नमः वामदेवाय नमो ज्येष्ठाय नमः श्रेष्ठाय नमो रुद्राय नमः कालाय नमः कलविकरणाय नमो बलविकरणाय नमो बलाय नमो बलप्रमदनाय नमः सर्वभूतदमनाय नमो मनोन्मनाय नमः अघोरेभ्यो दघोरेभ्यो घोरघोरधरेभ्यः सर्वेभ्यो सर्वेभ्यो नमस्ते अस्तु रुद्ररूपेभ्यः तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे महादेवाय धीमहि तन्नो रुद्र प्रचोदयात् ईशानः सर्वविद्यानाम् ईश्वरः सर्वभूतानां ब्रह्माधिपतिर्ब्रह्मणोऽधिपतिर्ब्रह्मा शिवो मे अस्तु सदा शिवो ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम्
ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिव.
Let Paramashiva manifest in all of us. Paramashiva, who is in Kailasa, manifest in all of us intensely. Let Paramashiva do all the Panchakrityas, 25 faces inside us. Let Paramashiva intensely awaken the Kundalini Shakti and manifest with Parashakti inside all of us. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham.
नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ 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 परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द 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 परमशिवोऽहम्
शङ्करसंहितायां महासदाशिवध्यानम् शृणुत ब्राह्मणाः सर्वे गुह्याद्गुह्यतरं अस्ति मेरोरुदग्भागे महाकैलासपर्वतः साम्बस्य सगुणस्यायं सभक्तस्येन्दुमौलिनः संवासे योजनानां च विंशत्कोटिप्रायतः दौहत्यमेतत् द्विगुणम् असंज्ञेयं द्विजोत्तमाः नवरत्नमयम् तस्य मध्ये शिखरमुत्तमं तत्रालयं महेशस्य नानारत्नविचित्रितं प्राकारगोपुराट्टाल वलभीभिर्विराजितं तथा सिंहासने तत्र महान् शम्भुः सदाशिवः कमलोल्लास पञ्चविंशन्मुखज्ज्वलः धृतनानायुयोद्भासी पञ्चाशत्करमण्डितः प्रफुल्लरक्ताम्बुजाट्ट श्रीनाभ्यां श्रीयुगभाज्वलः विचित्ररत्नकसितः भूषणैरभिभूषितः अनेककोटिसूर्याभः परमानन्दविग्रहः अपराकृतधनुश्रीमान् लक्ष्यलक्षणवर्जितः यदो वाचो निवर्तन्ते अप्राप्य मनसा सह गंगाश्रयजटाजूट चन्द्ररेखाविभूषितः भस्मोद्धूलितसर्वाङ्ग व्यालयज्ञोपवीतवान् कपालमालाधारी च व्याघ्रचर्माम्बरावृतः प्रतिवक्त्रं त्रिनयनः भक्तसर्वार्थसिद्धितः प्रसार्य दक्षिणं वातं कुञ्जयित्वेदरं पदम् अभयं चक्रं चूले च डङ्गबाणौ गदां भजे कट्कतोमरशक्तिश्च परसुप्रास पञ्चबाणः अलाङ्गुस अक्षमालाश्च शुरिगां ध्वज दण्डकौ वज्रगुण्डासिदंष्ट्राश्च क्रहं च पिण्डिपालकम् पञ्चविंशतिभिरस्तैः तथा नो दक्षिणैश्चुभैः वरस अभौ मृगं चङ्गं केट पास परश्वतान् मुत्करं डमरुं कण्डां रुद्रवीणां च पुस्तकं कपाल मुण्ड कट्वाङ्ग पुशुण्डी परिधानबी पालम्बट्ट संवेत्रं कमण्डलू हुदासनौ कर्तरीं मुसलं पिच्छं पिप्रत् वामैस्तथाकरैः महान् सदाशिवस्योऽयं राजते तत्र पर्वते। ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम्। I bless you all. Continue to meditate on Paramashiva. Today, whole day and night, continue to meditate on Paramashiva. Essence of today's satsang is Paramashiva is in me. Paramashiva is in me, which is in me. The me inside me, Paramashiva is residing. This is the essence of today's satsang. I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam, Paramashivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.